Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make okra no karaage. It's crispy okra fries. So easy to make but delicious and addictive. It's great as a side dish, but it's also a great snack for beer. So don't forget to prepare a 6-pack. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this okra no karaage, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Some okra. Today I have 20. 3 tablespoons of potato starch or cornstarch, 1 tablespoon each of sake and soy sauce, and a little bit of garlic paste. Let's prepare the okra first. Okra is hairy and I want to remove the hair. So I'll put some salt, just random amount of salt. And roll it out. Then rinse and dry. Cut the bottom off just a little bit because it's dry. Then cut it into half long way. Prepare a food container and let's put all these seasonings. Sake, soy sauce, and garlic paste. Give it a mix. Add okra. Put the lid on and shake. Add potato starch. Put the lid back on and shake. Okay, let's fry them. Heat up some vegetable oil over medium-high heat. I'm using rice oil today. And let's put the okra one by one gently into the oil. And just fry them for 1 to 2 minutes until it's crispy. Looks good. So let's take them out and drain. Okay, all fried and it's done. Super easy. Time for the tasting. You can have it as is, without any sauce. But I like to have it with this spicy mayo, which is a mixture of mayonnaise, Japanese Kewpie mayo of course, and shichimi Japanese chili mix. So let's put some spicy mayo. And itadakimasu. Mmm! It's so crispy on the outside, and it still has a signature sliminess inside. And you can smell the hint of garlic soy sauce, and this is just so perfect for beer. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Okra no karaage is a side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles, either homemade or store-bought for the other one. Anything you like for the other dishes, but how about karaage, Japanese fried chicken for the main, plain rice here, and mushroom miso soup or any soup you like here. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!